What I told you, we're gonna have a great season this year, a great riding season, because besides the usual test rides, besides the usual reviews, we're gonna have some long-term test machines. And this is one of them, the brand new Honda CRF Africa Twin. Just because I want to share every moment with my friend Bogdanel, I invited him to join me today for this unboxing.
Say the truth, man, you need help. That's why you called me.
Okay, yeah, I need a bit of help, but it's about sharing special moments, you know?
Yeah, and by fitting a new wheel on the bike and by getting it out of the crate and stuff.
Yeah,
so
you got the keys, right?
I have some tools with me there. Let's do it, because I'm eager to see it. It's the first time I see a bike like this.
We had to remove these ones.
It's a red one.
Take a look, man, it's just like the one I used in Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan, but of course it's the new one. It looks very good, but it's the same color theme. Yeah, it doesn't have the front wheel on, and we got the basic model over here. So no DCT, it's not the adventure sports. You always told us about the thing that you want us to test the standard version, the basic one. Then here it is, the most affordable Honda Africa Twin. Ce avem aici?
Încep să-ți dau din lucruri.
Ok.
Look what I found over here, mate.
Yeah, that's why I called you. I mean, besides the thing that I want to share this special moment with you, there's a problem when unboxing.
Hands dirty.
Yeah, there's a problem when unboxing the Africa Twin because the front wheel is not mounted. Probably it's not mounted because it's not fitting the frame with the wheel mounted. Or
yeah, because it's too big, you know. It has the long travel suspension and it will be a big crate, so they made it like this in order to fit in every van and ship it more easier.
Okay, so what we got to do is to dismantle the frame. It's a metal one, it's not a wooden one anymore. So we have a lot of work to do today. And after that, to fit the front wheel on the bike. Do you want a cup of tea?
No, stay here and work. I know that you want to.
Do you want a cup of tea? It's not that easy. Take a look at this 21 inches front. Let's put it right here. It's a spoked wheel and it's tube type, because now Africa Twin offers tubeless wheels, but only for the adventure sports version. The guys at Honda said that, let's put it this way, this is the enduro bike and that one is the touring bike. So they consider that the tube type tires are better for riding in enduro. No, da. I told you that this is the most affordable Honda Africa Twin on the market. In Romania, it costs 14,590 euros. And the DCT version, for example, it's 15,619 euros. The thing is that, although this is the most affordable one, it's still more expensive than before, because take a look. For example, it comes with this dash. We're gonna see how it works soon. It comes with what else? The engine is Euro 5 right now, and it comes with more electronics than before.
Da, mă, când era cu Bugsy, cu Al Capone acolo în filmări.
We got so many buttons over here. it reminds me a bit of the big Goldwing, but still I love the quality feel of the buttons, and I love the materials. I think that this one looks it looks like it has better finish than before. Don't you think, Bogdanel? What do you think about it? About the materials, about the plastics, about this stuff?
It's not a huge difference, but they look very good. I like the buttons over there. I like the handle. Yeah, they're very solid. They look like the one on the
Goldwing.
The Goldwing, yeah.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
that's a cool feature.
And hopefully they're gonna be easy to use them. Hopefully it's gonna be easy to use them, because there's a lot of buttons over here. But we're gonna check and see what every button do. Basically,
First sight, it doesn't look that friendly, but who knows?
Yep. It's very important when riding during the winter or during the cool days, and having this kind of buttons, solid buttons, because you have to press them and you have to do it just fine. And I think these buttons could be operated even with winter gloves, and maybe I should check that later.
You know, when a friend calls for help and you're always left alone working by yourself, it does that every time.
Lasă-mă, mă! Trebuie să muncesc și eu ceva.
Please hold the bike, because I'm going to remove the front end. Be careful, it will try to fall on a side.
Which side?
I think on the other side that you're on.
It's like when cutting off a tree, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
You have to guess the side.
I have to yell, timber!
We don't have the center stand, unfortunately.
We don't have the central stand, but what I need you to do is to get on the front end on your side.
Okay.
So
Where?
we need to lift the bike from down here, from the suspension, up.
And then what? Wait.
Together we lift it up.
And then what?
Lift it. You don't have the force.
No, it's okay, dar ce dracu să faci după aia, frate?
Că o pun pe cric, hai.
Ah, ok.
So right now what I need you to do is to use your force.
Like Master Yoda.
Mamă, frate. E grea. Can you do it?
Like this?
Yeah, dude, it's light. Okay, so I need to eat something, drink something, and then take a shower. You need to hold it for an hour like this.
Just put the wheel. Hai, frate, pune odată roata aia, nu?
So, these are the spaces for the front wheel.
Yep.
And if you make me mad, I'll eat them. This is the windshield, it's a small one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite small, it's the one for the Enduro. I have to change it because
Yeah,
I prefer having some weather protection.
yeah, you have the mirrors over here, left and right.
Okay.
Battery cover. So, if you want, I can give you a lecture for today. You should read the manual. Hey, look at this, you have a toolbox.
Wow, that's cool. And now I think it fits under the saddle.
And you have a lot of bolts over here. I think I'm not in the mood to fit the front wheel right now. I think I should check some more stuff around here. I don't know if I have the right tools and everything. Yeah, it's pretty bad, you know. So I'll see you tomorrow over here. Please don't go because we have a job to do. I think this is not the original bolt because I've seen in the box that came with the bike that we have 4 new bolts that are chromed.
Okay.
This one, it's not looking like a...
So this one
Bolt to
was
have.
just for the transport?
Yeah, for transportations only. Nice.
and I'm eager to ride this one. Where should I go this year with this bike?
First of all, you should go out to the garage.
And then what?
I don't know. Then you can go everywhere you want because this is a true adventure bike.
It should be lighter than before because it doesn't come with the DCT, and the guys at Honda did a lot of improvements on this bike, starting with the engine. Now it complies the Euro 5 regulations. Now it's more powerful than before. I think it's gonna feel
very good.
Very
but
good.
First of all, I need to lift up the bike so I can put the front wheel. So
okay.
This is a huge effort for you. Steady, man. Steady. Keep it like this. I'll keep a hand for just in case.
For Justin Bieber. This is a true adventure, you know. Unboxing a brand new Honda Africa Twin in your garage with no lifting tools.
Okay.
Is it lubed? It's okay?
It's already lubed, yeah. It comes lubed from the factory.
Okay, so we checked the rotation of the tire. Everything should be okay. Take a look at this part, at this red subframe. It's brand new for this bike because the old Africa Twin used to have a different frame. Now this one feels like being on a proper adventure bike. It's fitted in those points right here and right there. It's welded right here. You can also easily remove the passenger pegs, and it looks quite nice actually, don't you think? If somehow the rear frame breaks, you can just remove this one. It doesn't affect the whole bike. You just unscrew it and put another one.
Compared to the other model, the previous model,
yeah,
it didn't have something like this?
Yeah. And this one actually should be the holding point of the cases for the luggage system. I'm not sure about that. I have to double check. I'm gonna hold it this way.
Push!
Let's have a look at the bike.
Just staring?
Yeah, because it looks so cool. This new headlight, this new front fairing. Man, what's that?
This is the windshield.
This one?
This thing. So it should fit like this.
Are you sure it's not from the, I don't know, from the CB?
No, this is the windshield that you get.
But it's useless.
You were unlucky.
Okay. I hope I'm gonna be able to fit another one, because this, it seems to be, is a kind of enduro windshield.
Yeah, exactly. So you should do a lot of enduro with this bike.
Who needs a windshield? Because real men don't need a windshield.
Yeah, like real man.
It looks really nice. It really looks fantastic, and I like that the guys at Honda they didn't completely change the design, because the Africa Twin already was a very beautiful bike. They did some improvements over there at the headlight. These fairings, they look different. It looks very nice. And it's not just the headlight, not just the fairing, it's also this tail, which, take a look at this, it's slimmer, it's sharper. It looks like the one on the sports bikes.
You can remove the saddle. Do it like this, do it like a gentleman, please.
It should work anyway, because, okay. It works now, you can remove it, and probably this is the place where you can fit the tool case. And what's this one?
It's a strap for the passenger.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, that's a... Is that a toolbox?
Yeah, it's a toolbox that you can now reach.
Really?
Yeah, because it's easier to reach right now.
I think it's the same.
We have gas, we have water or coolant, we have engine oil. What don't What
do,
did
do,
you
you want,
do?
do you want to feel the perfume?
Yeah, let's feel some Euro
let's do it.
5 perfume. Leave the bike to do its job.
Yes.
And now we press something. I know it. I know it.
You
We
don't
should
have to press it in order to turn it on. Let's just do it. Over here, I don't like the sound, but over here, it's just fantastic.
Sound is not that different from the previous model, but the huge difference for this Euro 5 bike is this catalytic converter
Yes.
over here.
It's so big.
It looks clumsy.
Yes. And it's fun. I like it because it has this Africa Twin bark, you know. The sound of the Africa Twin is special. For me, it's the best sounding bike in the mid to big adventure class.
It's powerful.
It sounds like it wants
Come here for a sound check. Can I turn it off?
Yeah. Whoa.
Let's take a closer look at this dash because it's new for this year.
So this is now on the off-road mode. You have a lot of electronics. Let's try to go through the mode. No, this is for what? This is for the brightness?
I don't think so. It's for the.
FN. I don't know. Okay.
This is the function.
Yeah, I have to.
Function.
Okay. I really have to read the manual because I'm
Definitely.
not familiar.
The star does something. Oh, you change the
The
mode.
parameters. So we have. This is the should be the traction control.
So now
One.
it's fully on. If I press this button, it starts to go down. And for the power, I think there's another button. I don't know where. Yeah, definitely we'll have to read the manual.
We have to read the manual, and because it's the first time when we're trying to.
The most important part about this bike, you know what is?
What?
Check it out over
Oh,
here.
okay. We have some riding modes. Take a look at this one. User 1, user 2, and you can actually set the parameters for power, engine brake, traction control, and ABS.
Also ABS.
On-road and off-road. That's very cool. It has. This is the tour mode. Okay. It has the traction control. Wow, it looks quite good. This is the urban mode, gravel road, and off-road mode. So there is a difference because.
Yeah, it changes the dash every time. It looks
it's
very
not
good.
like that.
And you also have a function button over here.
Okay, so this
you
is.
have the function button.
Whoa.
Headlights, automatic stuff. I don't know what else. But the most important, as I told you before, is this part over here, the cruise control.
Oh yeah, it finally comes with the cruise control. Even this one, which is the basic model.
We've waited around 4 years for this upgrade
something
to come
like
on.
that. And I'm really curious to ride it because it feels, it sounds, and it looks very special.
I have an idea.
What's that?
It doesn't have a license plate, but we can ride it in our yard over here.
I think so.
What do you say? We give it a go?
Okay, let's do it.
So which one goes first?
Me, because it's my bike. That's it for today. This is the Africa Twin. It's the new one. Just arrived in the garage and we're gonna ride this bike throughout the whole season. So if you got questions and if you wanna find out different things about this bike, just write in the comment section below and we're gonna answer all of them. What would you like to do with this bike?
Willies.
Okay.
Acțiune!
Stai, că trebuie să nu trebuie să le aprind, nu?
Ba da, nu are.